What was the design of the Voskhod 1 spacecraft? Have you ever wondered how the Voskhod 1 spacecraft was designed to carry not one, but 3 cosmonauts into space? This remarkable vehicle was a modified version of the earlier Vostok spacecraft. The main goal was to adapt it for a crew of 3 instead of just 1. To achieve this, some significant changes were made to the original design. First, the Voskhod 1 removed the ejection seat that was part of the Vostok. This change allowed 4 3-crew couches to be arranged inside the descent module. These couches were positioned at a 90-degree angle compared to the single seating in the Vostok. This meant that the crew had to crane their necks to read the instruments, which were still oriented for the original layout. Another notable aspect of the Voskhod 1 was that the crew did not wear spacesuits. This decision was made due to the limited space inside the capsule, which posed a risk to the cosmonauts. The cramped conditions required them to follow a strict diet to fit comfortably into their seats. To ensure a safe re-entry, a backup solid-fuel retrorocket was added to the top of the descent module. This was necessary because the Vostok booster could not carry the extra weight. However, the Voskhod launch vehicle had a larger upper stage that allowed for this addition. Unlike its predecessor, Voskhod 1 did not have ejection seats or a launch escape system. This meant that the crew could not abort the mission until 3 minutes into the flight after the payload shroud was jettisoned. This design choice increased the risk in case of a launch failure. To improve landing safety, a solid-fuel braking rocket was attached to the parachute lines. This feature helped soften the touchdown, as the cosmonauts landed inside the descent module instead of ejecting. In terms of size, the Voskhod 1 measured about 5 meters in length and had a maximum diameter of 2.4 meters. Its total mass was approximately 5,320 kilograms. The mission focused on biomedical research and tested how a multidisciplinary crew could work together in space. This marked the first multi-person spaceflight. From a broader perspective, the design of Voskhod 1 showcased the Soviet Union's ability to adapt existing technology quickly. This mission was a significant milestone in the space race, demonstrating Soviet engineering flexibility and ambition. The success of Voskhod 1 served as a powerful symbol of Soviet space capabilities during a critical period of competition. However, the cramped conditions and safety compromises reflected the urgency to achieve these milestones quickly.